doing his morning stretches. His good morning stretches, yeah. Hi, buddy. Oh, stretch out the legs. Smile. He did smile at his dad. I just missed it. Smile, yeah. I smile at my mom and dad. Yeah. I stretch my arms. He does the cutest stretches. I stretch my arms. I stretch out my legs. Oh, yeah, that's a good one. Oh, it feels so good. And I wait for them to take my diaper off. It's my favorite part. Okay.
You're not gonna want to.